You work hard to lay the foundations of scientific research. Our mission at Cytiva is to empower your research journey towards breakthroughs. For over 2 centuries, we have been known for our innovative solutions that help scientists navigate each step of the complex climb. Disaggregate with the VIA extractor system. Prepare for isolation and sequencing with our Sera magbeads. Accelerate cell cultures with our off-the-shelf high-clone range. Level up your purification with our ECTA system and lab-scale chromatography columns and resins. Elevate your protein detection with the Amersham Western blotting range. Then use our BioCore SPR systems for real-time, label-free detection. Prepare and filter your samples with our Whatman and Paul filtration ranges. Our technologies are just the beginning. Hands-on guidance and maintenance helps you continue to forge ahead. Let's progress science together, from discovery to delivery.